Hi, Mr. Rao.
Hi Venku.
Hi, Venkata.
Hi Venku, hi Rao.
Hi Venkata.
Today we will discuss about PAT,
Mm-hmm.
review process,
Mm-hmm.
and deployment process. So we have a few questions. Venkata, do you want to start?
Sure. What is PAT?
Yeah. PAT is basically product acceptance testing. It's similar to UAT. In general, UAT is done by business users, but PAT is done by business users, product owner, and business analysts, and any other technical people. So since it is product acceptance by different people, it's called the PAT.
What is the objective of PAT?
PAT is basically validating the business process. That's what its objective is, right? Business process means in the beginning, business users defined high-level requirement. High-level requirements are basically to define the business process, what are all the things they do to fulfill the business. So that is basically the end-to-end process. That's what they're going to validate during the PAT.
What is the role of lead architect in production deployment process?
Yeah, actually during the production deployment, not only the lead architect, lead infrastructure architect, and lead developer, and the lead tester, and any other technical people will be involved. The reason for that one is, since the product is going to go to the production first time, there will be a lot of unknowns. When there are any unknowns, if all the technical people are out there, it's easy to handle those problems and resolve the issues immediately. Otherwise, it is going to cause other problems, and deployment will be delayed. So to minimize any issues, all the technical people will be there.
That helps to have everybody in the deployment process.
Exactly. Yeah.
About automation, can we leverage automation in the PAT?
Yes, actually that's a good idea, because automation was heavily used during the integration testing. By the time product is moved to the PAT, you have complete system is automated, right? A lot of automation test cases are there. Since if the automation tests can be reused during the PAT, what's going to happen is we are testing the entire system in a different environment, which is the PAT environment, which is very close to the production environment. That way, we are making sure the product is going to work successfully in the production without any known problems.
One last question. So, what is the purpose of review?
Yeah, the review is basically to review three different things. Basically, that's the base level. Okay, basically the key players are going to get together and review what was done right that can be repeatable into the future projects. That's what they're going to review and document. The second one is what went wrong and how the problems encountered were addressed. How did they deal with those problems? If they document that information will be very valuable for the future projects and for the future use. The last one is what can be done to improve the current process. So that way, if we document that one also, that will help to improve the process, make it better and better for each project.